Welcome back to Real Talk Behind the Badge. Now, this Karen thinks she's got some special privileges, and she finds out that she doesn't. Well, let's get to it.
Unfortunately, I cannot give her a discount. When she said her brother, I have to follow Ross policy. She does not want to leave the store, and I'm gonna have to trespass.
Okay. Ma'am, can you hear me? Okay. You have to leave the store, all right? Wait, you gotta leave the store, all right? If you refuse to leave, you'll be subject to arrest. Okay? You have an ID on you? Can I get your ID?
I'm gonna say no, like everybody else telling me no.
So what? Are you refusing to leave? Like I said, if you do not leave, you'll be placed under arrest. Okay? They're asking you to leave. They're not going to give you the discount. Okay? Are you refusing to leave? I'm going to give you one more time.
It's ridiculous.
How is it ridiculous?
Oh.
You just want to what?
Oh, I don't get. They give their employees discounts, and my boyfriend works for the company, and he has all my money. So I don't want that money.
Well, they're not going to give any discounts.
But they won't. Well, okay, that's fine. But fine if they won't get up, and that's what they were close.
They don't have to hold it close for you. Okay?
I'll be showing next time.
Well, yeah, no, I was so funny. I think. Well, I mean, I'm so sorry.
It's just what?
I mean, we've been there for the investigation.
Okay? So you have to leave the store. Okay? So there's nothing I can do about it. Now, look. So if you used to leave, you're going to be placed under arrest, okay? For trespass after warning. I've given you more.
Everything.
Yes, you are.
My lap's in the store.
Not if they're asking you to leave. She told you to leave. You're not going to be able to speak to the owner of Ross. You're going to be placed under arrest.
So you're gonna hurt me. You're just gonna don't hurt me. Like I'm not doing anything wrong. Next time, give me next.
You're not leave.
So while you hurt me, if I don't, let's see.
We'll place you under arrest.
Well, you got to say they don't want to be. Because if I swear they want to cross the bridge, or this is just they want to because this is we're gonna be here. This is nonsense. That's hard.
You got to prosecute if you leave.
This is hard.
Do you want to prosecute if it doesn't leave?
Prosecute press charges.
Yes.
Can I contact my manager about this?
If you say you guys don't want to press charges, or you're going to leave without telling her, without removing her from the property. If you guys want to press charges, we'll place her under arrest for trespass after warning.
Thank you. Let me verify with him, and then I'll have you. Thank you guys.
All right. They're calling their store manager. If you do not leave by the time they get up some with them, you're going to be under arrest.
So that gave us by just want does it. You need to leave.
We're telling you to leave.
I just want a discount. You don't just get discounts because you want a discount. So you can leave or you can be placed under arrest if they want to prosecute. It's as simple as that, man. Sure, seriously, then I'll see her trying. What discount are you wanting? That's the number. My boyfriend gets 20% off and he works here. Okay, your boyfriend is not here. He is. He will be here after 7 p.m. So I'll be here till you're gonna. If he's really your boyfriend, you're gonna make him lose his job. Okay. Well, then I'm not gonna just get you this.
No one's going to give you a discount, okay? So you can either leave or you're going to leave in handcuffs and you're going to go to jail for trespassing.
I'm gonna go to jail for wanting a discount.
For trespassing. That's why you're going to go to jail.
Wanting a discount.
Okay.
Like all I'm asking for is guys, that's all I want. It's just
Well,
a
the discount's not going to happen.
or I want them to hold my books to follow.
Okay.
She wouldn't provide ID either.
I was just.
I asked her and she.
So there's going to be another charge.
Well, I'll give you my ID and you're gonna charge me for not giving you my ID.
We just told you you're not getting discount. You don't have money. You don't have a reason to be inside the store.
That's fine, but I don't want to have. Okay, so that means you can't buy the clothes, so you need to leave. My boyfriend. Then you can call your boyfriend and tell him to purchase the clothes when he comes to work, if he still has a job after this nonsense. I didn't know this. It's you guys like no, the way you're acting is nonsense. You're a grown woman. You need to walk out and leave so you don't go to jail. Have you ever been to jail before? You're not gonna go to jail. Like, oh, go to jail. And then like thought that's real. Like, oh, thank you. What else can you
We've talked it.
There's gotta
I
be.
told you what is going to happen.
There's gonna be another solution. Please. Sorry, please tell me there's another solution.
There's no other solution. You can leave right now because you're not under arrest. They're asking you just to leave the store.
I'm gonna get arrested for wanting a discount.
You're not going to get arrested for wanting a discount. You're going to get arrested for trespass after warning. Right now, you can leave the store.
But like, if you pray that
Nobody's going to hurt you. You can leave the store right now. Okay, so you can't buy the clothes. So then you have to leave the clothes here until you get the money.
they won't. That's part.
You don't push charges.
Let's go. Stop resisting. You're gonna hurt. If you don't go ahead, you're gonna hurt. Stop resisting. I'm not. Get up. I'm not. What you want to do behind the back right there? All right. I'll leave. Please.
I'll leave.
Nope.
I'll
leave. Nope. We already gave you plenty of ample warnings. Yeah. She also has a threat. Yeah, no. Be by her. We just can't charge her now because she got off upstairs. We'll get it for you.
We told you that you'd be placed under arrest. You just wanted to sit there and record on your phone.
Because you thought we were bluffing. Can I have my phone? Nope.
You're detained now.
Nope. I need my phone. I need to record what you're doing to me, right?
You're recording right now.
For wanting a discount to please.
Get up.
Can you please just give me the phone? So you're taking my phone from me. You're taking my phone from me. So you're
Can you
wait,
walk?
you're
Thank you.
taking all my belongings?
They're going to go
Wait,
with
no.
you. Your belongings are going to go with you.
Then what? Then what would
Come on.
they gonna do? What are they? I need my stuff. I need my stuff. That's my phone. Like, I need my things. You can't take my things from me. Though.
We're not
Like,
taking.
please, my stuff is over there, and I want it. And
Coming with the.
I mean,
Can you stand up so we don't
please don't do this. Please don't waste that.
Told you.
Just like it will shoot.
I got it. Let's go.
Come on.
Stop tensing up.
You're gonna get another shot.
Listen, can you walk so you don't get hurt?
Are you putting me hurt? So you're
No one
gonna
wants to
hurt
hurt
me?
you.
No.
Please, like, don't turn me.
This is my phone.
Here the other way.
Do you want us to take off?
We're already here.
Now?
Yeah, we're going to get a resistance too.
Yeah. You're gonna hurt me.
You're going to hurt yourself.
Don't hurt
No
me.
one is trying to hurt you.
Don't hurt me.
All right, cool.
Sit in my phone.
Hang on, you. Yeah, okay. Let's go. No, but you're going to free ride the Orange County Jail.
Dribbling.
She's caught at me.
I just want a discount. I just want a discount.
She's proud.
Please, I just
We're gonna do.
want a
We're gonna put her on the car backwards,
Yeah.
right? And then you're gonna go on the other side of the car for and by her way.
You're gonna hurt me because I want a discount. You're seriously gonna hurt me because I want a discount.
Got her. Ready? Yeah.
You're hurting me. My arm.
Stop resisting.
Yeah, go on the other side of the car.
Got her?
Oh, resist. I'm sorry.
Now, this Karen was charged with trespassing and resisting without violence. The officers did a great job. I give them some kudos, and they were very patient with her until it was time not to be patient. So that's it for now. This is Real Talk Behind the Badge. Thanks for watching. See you next time.